You can't reduce Ulster-Scots culture to Orange culture or vice versa. The United Irishmen were just as Ulster-Scots as the Orangemen were, and came from same roots and in some ways similar philosophies, but expressed politically in very different ways. So the two areas overlap a lot. A lot of people involved in Orange culture would also consider themselves to be Ulster-Scots. But they're not the same thing. You can be Ulster-Scots without being an Orangeman, and you can be an Orangeman without being Ulster-Scots. One of the reasons the Ulster-Scots culture perhaps has, or the revival has grown so strongly, so quickly, is that it's attracted a very broad range of people who are interested. For some people who are dedicated loyalists, and their Ulster-Scots culture is an expression of their loyalism. But for other people, Ulster-Scots culture offers an identity that is broader than loyalism, or even an alternative to loyalism for some people. Ulster-Scots identity can be viewed as an alternative to Irishness, but it can also be viewed as a particular way of being Irish. And for some loyalists, Ulster-Scots identity offers a way to be Irish on their own terms, without having to accept any of the baggage of nationalism that has sometimes been associated with Irishness.
Take him sure. Tas agam nach anan loch na Gaeilge agus jarcuir leich polachúil. Agus cén fa am Albanish olu ar a wallet de goy.